Good evening, class. I see some familiar faces, so hello all, and nice to see you again. I see some new faces, and I'm excited to get to know you all. My name is Dwayna Respis Palmer. I'm completing my internship at the Philadelphia Corporation for Aging in the Caregiver Support Program. This is a work site placement for me, but my current duties do not allow me to interact with clients. So, my expectation for my internship is that I will get to work with families, get a better understanding of the needs of caregivers, and how to better advocate for older adults. So, as you can see, my expectations are a little high. What has me excited the most about being able to work with the caregiver support program is to work with clients and families again. To be able to interact and to be able to understand, what it is they're going through in real time. My biggest concern is being able to identify all the resources that are available to meet the needs of caregivers. I will manage my excitement and my concerns by one, planning my days and my weeks ahead. That way I know what it is that I'm doing as far as task is concerned, and I'm able to speak with my field supervisor about what it is their expectation is of me. I will discuss my feelings with my field supervisor. And lastly, I will talk with my peers and my field liaison. Well, I can't wait to get to know you all better, and I wish you the best of luck with your field placements. Bye, guys.